So we're on the banks of the river at the bottom of Yosemite Falls. I don't know if you can see it over there in the distance. It's the most incredible setting. Obviously you can see it, but just to give you a flavour for how it feels here, there's still a lot of snow on the ground. The sun is streaming down. And there's nobody here. It's so quiet. So as you, or as we, sit and meditate here together today, I'd love you just to notice those different layers of sound. Whether it's in the distance of the falls, whether it's the river just lapping against the banks here, whether it's the snow melt from the trees. Just allowing the environment to create a framework for meditation in which you can let go, to allow the mind to flow more easily. So take a moment to get comfortable. We're going to start with our eyes open, just taking in the entire space in front of us, the different colours. It's a soft focus, so not really looking at one particular thing, but just being aware. Greys, the blues, the greens, the browns, the white of the snow. Just allowing all of that into the space in front of you. And with that soft focus, just beginning with a couple of big deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And if you'd like to, with the next out breath, just gently closing the eyes, allowing the breath to return to its natural rhythm. And just settling in to this space, the feeling of the body pressing down, the feet on the floor, the hands and the arms on the legs. Allowing the sounds into your awareness. Just getting comfortable in this different environment. And then just bringing the attention back to the body. So starting off by just noticing how the body feels today. And first in a very general way, and then just scanning down through the body, noticing any particular feelings. Comfort, discomfort. As you scan downwards, beginning to notice the breath, the movement of the breath, the rhythm of breathing. Not changing it in any way. Just knowing where you feel that rising and falling sensation. Knowing when the breath's long, knowing when the breath's short. You can either stay with the breath, allowing the sounds to just be there in the background. You can even count the breaths, if you find that easier. Or you can allow the sounds to be the primary object of focus. Just resting the attention on that soundscape, running water. And whenever you realize the mind's wandered off, just gently coming back to that sound. And we're just noticing if at any stage the mind's got caught up in thinking, just letting that go, coming back to the breath or back to the sound of the water. And then just for a moment, letting go of any focus on anything. Just allowing the mind to do whatever it wants to do. Just for a few short moments. And then just gently bringing the attention back to the body once again. Just coming back to that feeling of contact. Just becoming more aware of the sounds again. And then when you're ready, just gently opening the eyes. And just coming back to this incredible space in front of us. Just taking in the colours, the shapes, the sounds. And as always, as much as possible, just carrying the sense of this into the rest of your day. And this is such a perfect spot. I'm going to stay here a little bit longer, so feel free to stay and enjoy the view.